How to unzip Google Drive files on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google Drive application on your phone. You are taken to the home page of Google Drive. Locate the zip file you want to unzip. Note that you cannot open it directly in Drive. You will see when the file is opened, a text saying unsupported file type in the bottom. So, tap the three dots icon next to the file name to open the menu as shown. From this menu, scroll down to find and select the Open in option. Here, you can view all the sharing options available. Now, tap on Save to Files as shown. On this page, choose the location you want to save your file to. For example, on my iPhone. Then, choose the folder you want to save. After that, tap on Save at the top right corner to confirm. Next, go back to your home screen and open the Files app. Navigate to the location where you saved the zip file. You will find the zip archive in this folder. Simply tap on the zip file once to decompress it. A new folder with the extracted content will be created instantly. You can now open this new folder to access all your unzipped files. Following these steps, you can easily unzip Google Drive files on an iPhone.